Hello.
Hello, mate. You alright?
Oh!
Hello. What's going on?
I'm sweating.
You're a tradesman.
We're the new tradesmen on the block.
Okay.
We're called the hair builders.
Yeah, we're not very good. Sorry.
We've got hair, but we wear hats to hide
Yeah.
it.
What's
It's
going
the
on
hat builders.
with the sheet?
We're doing a photo shoot
You even said at the same time.
for some
For
stuff. There's some music playing.
There is some music playing. We might have to turn it off. Say that again, sorry.
They're getting some new work.
New work.
It's new work.
New work.
Yeah,
Okay.
new work.
What's the work?
They're getting work. I can't tell you. too.
Oh, okay. All right.
It's all work.
This is new work.
Look how
I
big
can't
his
show
bum
it.
is.
Oh, yeah, you can't for that.
Look how big his bum is.
Them shorts are massive.
Massive.
Yeah.
No, they're retro, that's why. They're the same size as yours.
Yeah, I know, but I've got little legs. There's a jet ski.
Yeah, it's broken.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Where's Sam?
He's in the loo.
Is he?
Yeah, you can't film them in there.
All right, Doris.
I'm alright, how are you?
Why? What's the matter?
I'm just watching Tweedledum and Tweedledee trying to buy up the white sheet for a photo.
Oh, have you got a dog now?
Yeah.
Oh,
I
saw
haven't
it on
got
the-
it yet.
Oh,
Wednesday. I'm
what's
getting
his
it.
name?
Gus.
I saw a picture the other day, and then
Yeah, Gus.
Frank just told me. He said
You're,
they got-
you're not in the mortar line, boys. Yeah, Gus, little
Gus.
Frenchie.
Have you caught the sun?
Yeah, we are.
Bad. Saturday, bad, mate. Really bad. No.
No, up and downs. I can't reach that.
What, have you got tall
Oh.
models coming in?
Mate, I don't know what these two are doing.
Are they the models?
No, one's a lifeguard. Sam's the lifeguard on the right, just in case he might.
They actually got in one.
Come on.
That's because you went into the mortar line.
Yeah.
Yeah, we did the other ones.
What's that flappiness then?
Well, what am I meant to do? Otherwise, it will go in the thing.
Where's that going to go?
Oh, yeah, I need some tape for that.
How long have they been doing this for?
An hour and a half?
No.
No way.
About 10 minutes.
About 10 minutes.
It's not good, boys.
Have you got any tape?
No, 'cause the whole point of why you're nailing it is the tape didn't work.
Yeah, but...
Go into that top mortar line.
And this is for the photo shoot for the new merch.
This is a photo shoot for the new match.
It is due out in a couple of weeks, so hopefully they can
Hopefully
get...
the 1st of September if these boys get a rig along.
Well, we're taking it seriously. It's high budget.
Yeah.
These, like, they always remind me, these lights of when you're at school and you have the photo shoot at school. Well, like with the owls and stuff.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that was classic.
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't have that.
Nah.
And a hawk. You had a hawk and an owl.
Yeah,
That was like old school. I don't know if they still do it at schools.
Yeah, I'm sure they
I
do.
went private school.
Oh, nah. My school is dead.
He went to an all-boys school.
Right.
Stop
Come
doing
on,
that.
Sam. See if you can read.
Level that up there. Yeah, that's easy. If you need me, ring me.
You off, mate?
I'm off, Calvin, mate.
Oh, lovely to see you, mate. Short and sweet.
Short and sweet, brief. Is that your laptop?
You're going to your flat. That's my
I've got to
laptop.
go to the flat, got to go to Brad's, got to get some oil, got to sort Grandad out. Loads to do, mate. And I need to get rails and work out photos and
Non-stop.
non-stop, mate.
It is non-stop. Oh, also, did Brad ask you about a CT1 bundle for me for these videos next week?
Yes. Oh,
Please.
yes. It's yeah, I've ordered it all.
Okay.
It's coming. It's coming. It won't be long.
Okay.
It'll be with
All right then, mate.
you. Right, mate.
See you later.
Ciao for now, eyebrow.